Hi guys, TinaGale here, and today I have a fun haul video for you. So, Carpe Diem Planners is having a huge kind of a warehouse sale, and they do this quite often, and I've ordered before when they had stuff so cheap, and I absolutely love it because it's not like a warehouse box where you don't know what you're getting. You get to go in and choose what you want. And there's stuff that's, 70 and 75% off. So it's a great deal. So I had been watching Lael's Traveler Notebooks class or series that she'd done on YouTube the last 2 weekends, and had been really re-inspired to get out my traveler's notebooks and work on them. And then of course I went shopping and found this incredible deal, and so I stocked up. So the box is chock full. All I've done is take the packing paper that was off the top, so I haven't even gone through it and oohed and awed over it, so I thought we would do it together. So let me pull some stuff out and then we will look at it all up close. Alright, so much goodness. So let's start with this. I have 2 or 3, well actually maybe 3 or 4 Carpe Diem planners that I use for different things, and they had their punch as part of the sale. I think it was like $5 or $6. It wasn't very much at all, and normally I just take my regular hole punch, kind of line them up and do it, but this is a lot quicker, and for just a few bucks I can do it. So I finally picked up one of their punches. They had lots of washi tape, and I had a bunch in my cart and I ended up taking some out, but this is gorgeous, gorgeous. And I think all of these were like $1 a roll, and then like this was even less, I think, because it was a 3-pack. But it has the black with floral, and you'll see I have the notebook. So that, the polka dots or the big dots, and the green and white stripes. So all of those are something a little bit different than what I have. This gorgeous butterfly that has the watercolor on the background. So I love that. And then this one is one of the Disney ones. 100% Fun is what it's called. So it has happy, fun, it has the hearts and the stars. So just a nod to Disney. So I decided to go ahead and do that. I have some Disney washi, but nothing that's got words and things like that that I'm aware of. So I picked up a few washies. This is the Say Cheese 3 roller stamp. So I love my roller stamps. And this one's got some really cute phrases and even the icons, the row of stars and hearts and the arrow. So couldn't resist it. And I think it was $2. It might have been $1 too. It was $1 or $2. So that was my fun little things. The rest is all traveler notebooks stuff. So this was something fun, and I want to kind of touch on it because I wasn't sure what I was going to be getting. This is calendar stickers, and it's from July 19th to December 2020. So of course 19 is over with, and we're almost a third of the way in 2020. But I thought this would be great in Traveler's Notebooks if I wanted to create my own monthly calendar or have it in with that. But I wasn't sure how many I was getting, or, if I was only getting one or what. Although I knew there was 108 stickers, so it should be quite a bit. Well, what you get is 6 small calendars like this of each month from that time frame. So that's incredible. This was just $1 something. It was really cheap. Might have been $2. I want to say everything was within $1 or $2 range other than the covers. So that was an incredible bargain, and I wished you could have seen better on the website what it was, but it's such a small print and everything. I just wasn't really sure. But yeah, I almost wished I'd picked up another one because I can think of so many different ways to use that. But now if I create a monthly spread for my calendar, I can have it for the month that I'm on, but I can also include it the month before and the month after because I really like having that. Okay, so I'm going to skip to this too. This is for the A5 planner, and like I said, I have several. So it's the dividers, and it has the months, and then it has a blank monthly calendar. So you can write in whatever year that you're working on. So I've done this before, and I love having options, but I also got it just for these papers here. and I might use them just as scrapbook paper because it was so incredibly cheap. Because I don't care for the 3-hole punch and the binders, the Carpe Diem binders for my planner. I don't like the rings. I'd rather do it like this or my happy planner or just a flat one. So I don't care for the 6 rings for my planner, but I love the paper. So I will figure out if I want to use it for scrapbook paper or what. Okay, Traveler's Notebook inserts. These are 2 packs. So this is the same one. So you get 2 of them in there, and it was like $1.90 for the pack. So it was under $1 for a Traveler's Notebook that has a beautiful cover. But if you watched Lael's classes, then you'll know she makes covers for them, so you don't really need pretty covers, but they're fun. I picked up these. Now, these were not on part of the clearance. These are $9, and there's 2 of them, so you can see the difference. $1.90, $9. But of course, these have the monthly insert inside, so that makes it a little bit more. So one of them is the monthly, and then one of them is just lined. So, but I wanted to try that because she showed using it in her class, and I thought it was really cool looking, so I want to give it a shot. Then they had the Disney ones. These were just a little bit more because there's only 1 in it. So, yeah, it was a little bit. And it's just a grid on the inside, so all you're paying for is that pattern paper on the outside. So I almost didn't get them because I thought, well, I have pattern paper, but what do you pay for pattern paper? $1. So why not just have it done for you? So I went ahead and got those. Then they had these that were recipes. And again, it's just the cover. The inside is just lined notebook paper. But again, I'm going to pay that much for a sheet of patterned paper to cover them. So why not just get it the way it is? So I'm thinking of some fun little gifts for these. I got 2 of those. This one, I got 3. So it's the black and white striped with flower and the minty green with the flowers. But again, for less than $1 for the Traveler Notebooks. And then I picked up another one, and again, this was one that was $9 for the 2 of them, and it's the weekly spread. But again, it's something I wanted to try. Let me see. Okay, then this, I don't think I've ever seen these before, but these are little decals. So it's just 1 sheet of labels. It just includes the 5 labels and the 5 icons here that you can put on your Traveler's Notebooks on the outside. And I thought that would be a lot of fun. And again, they were on the sale for like $1, something like that. You guys are going to have to check it out. So I thought that would be kind of fun. This fits in the A5 planner, and it's just shopping list. And again, I think this was like 90 cents or something. Not anything that I needed, but it's just cute, and I like keeping shopping list. And so I thought, well, if I start doing different recipes or things like that, it might be fun to have it in it. So I do have one of my planners set up, and it has the hard dividers for a recipe book in it. So I actually think it has this one. Pretty sure it has that one in it. So the dividers are already set up for a recipe book, but this is insert pieces that can go to it. So I never finished it. I never did it. Well, I never started it. Never did anything with it. So I saw this, and again, it was on the sale, so I decided to get it. So there's 24 recipe inserts, so it'll have where you put your ingredients and the cooking time and all of that and the directions. And then it has different inserts here. There's 13 inserts. There's a dashboard. There's 6 die-cut dashboards, so these here. There's a storage pocket, so you can just tuck in recipes of your own. And there are 3 sticker sheets, and then the 6 dividers here. So super cute, and again, it was so incredibly cheap, you can't pass up. I should have got 2. But anyways, so that's it. Then Traveler's Notebooks. These are normally $32 a piece, and they are on sale for $8. So I got all 4 of these for the price of 1. Awesome! So I got the black with the floral, and I love their Traveler's Notebooks. They have such a soft feel to them. This was one that Lil had, and I thought it was so cute, and it has the type inside the circles. So, and the insides, the turquoise with the white. So I guess I should show you these. So it has the black and then the cream. There's also a insert in each one of these. So this one has the large polka dot, that one has the small polka dot. I got this gorgeous black one with the text and the florals, and then there's a pink with polka dot insert, and then I got the pink cover with the polka dots, and the inside insert is a black and white buffalo plaid. So gorgeous. You can definitely see I'm a pink girl. My pink and my turquoise. So those were the covers that I got. So that's a look at my haul. I'll have the link down below if you want to go check out Carpe Diem sale. Hopefully it's still going on. I think it was going to go on for a little bit longer. So get over there really quick, grab up. If you order $75, it's free shipping. So you can tell I hit that no problem. But I didn't go much over 75, I don't think. So I just think that's an incredible deal. Which these alone, if I'd been paying full price, would have been over $100. So, you know, doing good. So I hope you enjoyed that, and have a great day. Hope you're enjoying some scrappy time. Stay safe out there. We'll see you really soon. Bye-bye.